Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have a little bit more information on the No Make No Life October box. So, we'll be getting into it. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. And if you would take the time, guys, to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button and that bell right there. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. You know what I mean? Alright, guys. Now to read the first comment on my last video. Congratulations, Lisa415. Lisa says, "Hi, Mandy." Well, Lisa, hi back to you, babe. I'm so glad you got your bell on, and I really enjoy and love that you take the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, just leave a comment under this here video. You got 1 out of 2 chances. You could either set your bell and try to be first comment, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now guys, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I picked from my last video. Now let's go ahead and jump into the information. First of all, y'all know the theme. It is this word I can't say again. It is the harajuku. Is that how you say that? Halloween. Anyways, I think that's that's probably not how you say it. Anyways, that is the theme. And then I'm going to show you the spoilers. And then I'm going to show you the inspirations and what the new inspiration is. That way we kind of get a mind of what this box is going to be like, y'all. So the first spoiler is the Sanrio. They collabed with the game Fate Grand Order to make these 4 variation palettes. Now you will get 1 out of these 4 palettes. They come with 4 shadows and 1 lip and cheek tint. Now the next spoiler is the Momoka's Fruits Gloss. It looks like there's 4 different variants there, so you will get 1 of those. Then next is the Pop Devil Color Treatment. Now there's 3 different variation shades. There is Ash Pink, Ash Lilac, and also Ash Violet. Now you will get 1 of those shades in your box. Now their first inspiration, harajuku. I guess that is one of the most trendiest places in Tokyo. So that is the first inspiration for their box for October. And then the newest reveal is another inspiration that they used to design this October box around. It is the Japanese singer, fashion icon, and I know I can't say this name, y'all. Pamu. I know y'all make fun of me every time I try to say something. I just know you do. Y'all know y'all can read that name right there. But anyways, I did want to show y'all the new inspiration. That way we could kind of put 2 and 2 together and see what else is in this box. See what it's going to be like. Now, every single month, No Make No Life does a giveaway. And they also have new sign-on bonuses. So if you use the code CANDY in all caps, when you sign up for this box, you could get up to 4 K-Beauty bonus items in your box. And also, you're going to be entered to win a giveaway. Now, here is the giveaway right here. They call this the October Glam Gift. So, I guess each month is called Glam Gift. So, whoever signs up or whatever, you can get those bonus items. You could also be entered for the new giveaway every month. And I believe this goes up to September 30th. So everybody can take advantage of that. Now guys, as always, No Make No Life is going to be linked below. If you want to go check them out, there is a link for you to go do so. Let's read the pick comment on my last video. Congratulations, April Dawn. April says, "Hi Mandy, thank you for all the updates." Well, April, thank you so much for taking the time and watching, comment on my videos. And I love you so much. And remember, if you yourself want to get a shout out, you got to leave a comment on this video. Now, guys, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube keeps taking away my views, my comments, my likes, everything. So make sure you are still subscribed. And if you're not, why have you not hit that button yet? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I mean, why wouldn't you? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. It's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit the subscribe button. Then, guys, I need you to rate the video if you would. But there is only one option, guys. You got to hit that thumbs up button. My thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. If you would, hit that notification bell. Make sure it is on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. I don't want to see no comments down there saying, "I didn't see them spoilers yesterday, Mandy." Because if you would have had your bell set, you would have seen them. And that's it. That's all I got for you guys. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.